Fast facts about boats and other seagoing vessels. 4 out of 5 boat sinkings occur at their mooring. Sails were first used by the Phoenicians around 2000 BC. The Egyptians created the first organized navy in 2300 BC. The world's oldest surviving boat is a simple 10 feet, 3 meter, long dugout dated to 7400 BC. It was discovered in Pes, Holland in the Netherlands. Containerized maritime trade grew eightfold from 1985 to 2007. 87% of international trade is carried out by the shipping industry, for around 4% of global carbon emissions. There are approximately 6 million ship containers in transit at any given moment worldwide. According to a Yachting World report, an estimated 1,700 shipping containers fall from ships every year. At latitude 60 degrees south, you can sail all the way around the world unobstructed. The first ironclad warships were built by Korea in the 16th century. Many of the component of the Queen Mary, the grandest vessel of her day, was made Skoda, a car manufacturer. The distress code Mayday comes from the French for help me, made. The lifeboat was patented in 1845.